up, watch it glow in the browser, shape by shape. Dark terminal, hidden math, now it breathes in 3D space. Every fold a signal made, every contour locked in real. From the swarm beneath the hood to the thing your hands can feel. See it shine, see it turn, every fragment learns to burn. One clean frame, then it starts, living proof with moving parts. Protein, Fold Colosseum, look what we became. Protein, Fold Colosseum, hands on glass, it stays. Dark to light, model to form, right before your eyes. Protein, Fold Colosseum, the swarm is alive. Drag it left, drag it right, tilt the chain and watch it flex. Crystal panes and frosted edges, every node responds to tests. Not a sketch, not a dream.
DNA at 3. Protein Fold Colosseum. The phenotype. When you spin up the 3D WebGL viewer, let the glassmorphism UI speak for itself. This is the physical phenotype of the swarm. It proves that the decentralized computations happening in the dark terminal can perfectly manifest as structured, manipulatable 3D reality in the browser.
The swarm is alive. In the quiet of the code, it was building.